Hello, Waterford students, it's Mrs. Durst. And so we begin our tallest snowman. But first, where does snowmen love to live? In the snow. So we're going to work with a little bit of weather in our art piece. And we're going to do that by adding snowflakes and snow swirls and kind of a little snow shower that's occurring in our piece behind our snowman. So we want to get our big light gray piece of construction paper. It's 12 by 12 square and a white Prismacolor pencil. These work great for this. So we're just gonna visualize this so we can work together. All right. So our snowman is going to be living in this snowscape here. So when we see something up close, it tends to look a little bigger than something that is far away. So if we want to make this really interesting for our snowman and use a little artist perspective, we want to make a couple of very large snowflakes. So I'm going to put some larger snowflakes in each one of the corners of my gray paper. So I make an X, okay, and then I'll put in a line. Whoop, I just broke my pencil. No worries. There we go. Bring that down. So most snowflakes have 6 spikes, okay? So I, at times, will just do an X with a line in it. But because we're just creating art, we can put another line in there. Boy, my pencil just will not stay sharp. There we go. So now you can add some little details to your snowflake. Circles, dots. You can do colored in effects. You can do little stars. Sometimes you can put just little lines, really fancies up the situation quite quickly. Okay, so these bigger snowflakes are ones when we're looking down on our snowman are probably up close. And then next to our big snowflake, you can make a little one. This one that's already kind of gone down to the ground almost. Okay, so go ahead and I'll make another one on this corner with you. We're going to make a couple of big snowflakes in the corner with lots of detail because these are the snowflakes that are up close with us, okay? They are the ones that are right next to us as we're looking down on this super tall snowman. And again, have fun with it. I just did some squirrely cues on this snowflake. Yes, just a few squirrely cues can make a difference and make a very different looking snowflake. And sometimes just these little forky things look good. Again, have fun with your snowflakes. Make them nice and detailed. And oh, that looks pretty good. I like it. So again, I'm going to make some big ones and then I'm going to make a few little ones floating in the air closer down to the ground. Less detail because it's further away. Assume these snowflakes are up close to you and these little ones are farther away, floating down to the ground, okay? Also, put some swirls in your piece. Fill in the space with some swirls. I'm going to do another big snowflake up here. And this one will have some circles on it, I think. Okay, have fun with your snowflakes. They are each very different, and they can be very beautiful. I'm just going to put a little line around there. So that's another big one. And then another big one in this corner. And then fill it in with the little ones. And then give some swirlies. So a couple little ones and some swirlies around the big snowflakes, okay? This is the backdrop, or where your snowman will sit looking up at us, okay? So go ahead and finish that off, okay? I'll get a close-up right here of that one. So go ahead and finish off 4 big snowflakes, swirls, and little snowflakes. And then we'll go on to the next part.